You feel stressed about money every day, but no one shows the real escape plan. Most people think earning more money will fix everything, but that belief is dangerous. The real problem is not income. It is how your money silently disappears. Small daily expenses look harmless, but together they destroy your financial control. This is where most people stay stuck, earning money but never building real wealth. Here is the truth. Control begins when you understand exactly where your money goes. When you track your money, hidden patterns suddenly become clear and predictable. And once you see the pattern, you gain the power to finally change it. Most people never escape stress because they never stop and look at their numbers honestly. Step 1 is simple. Write down every expense, no matter how small it feels. This one habit alone will shock you and reveal how much money you waste. Now comes the powerful move. Cut expenses that bring zero real value to your life. You do not need to cut everything, just remove what does not truly matter. This creates your first financial breathing space, where stress starts to reduce. Now you redirect saved money toward building something that actually grows over time. This is the shift from survival mode into control mode, where your money starts working. Most people stop here, but control alone is not enough to build real financial freedom. You must make your money grow, even when you are not actively working. This is called passive income, and it is the real escape from financial stress. It starts small, maybe with savings, investments, or building a simple income stream. At first, the growth feels slow, and many people quit before results appear. But this is where discipline wins, because slow growth becomes powerful over time. This is the moment most people miss, the compounding effect that multiplies your money. Small, consistent actions, repeated daily, create massive financial change over time. At this point, you are no longer just earning money, you are building financial control. But one mistake can destroy progress, and that mistake is emotional spending. When you spend to feel better, you lose control and return to the stress cycle. Instead, build a rule, pause before spending, and question every unnecessary purchase. Ask yourself, does this truly add value, or is it just a temporary feeling? This single habit protects your money and keeps your system strong over time. Now comes the powerful upgrade, increasing income without increasing your stress. This means learning skills, creating value, and earning smarter instead of harder. Most people trade time for money, but that keeps them stuck in a limited cycle. To grow faster, you must break this loop and create multiple income paths. Even one extra income stream can reduce pressure and give you more control. This is how you move from dependency to independence in your financial life. Now your focus shifts from survival to building a stable and secure financial system. A strong system protects you even when life becomes unpredictable or difficult. This is where financial stress starts disappearing, because your system handles pressure automatically. You are no longer reacting to problems, you are controlling outcomes before they happen. At this level, money is no longer a source of stress, it becomes a tool. You decide where money goes, instead of wondering where it disappeared. This is the moment you gain confidence, because your system proves itself daily. But remember, consistency is everything. Without it, even the best system will fail. Financial freedom is not one big action. It is small actions repeated for years. The earlier you start, the easier your journey becomes and the stronger your results grow. And if you start late, do not worry, starting now is still powerful. Because the biggest mistake is not failure, it is waiting and doing nothing. Right now, your financial future is being shaped by the decisions you make today. Every small decision either builds your freedom or keeps you trapped in stress. You do not need perfection, you just need direction and consistent action. Your system, your habits, and your mindset will define your financial life. Once you understand this, stress loses its power and control becomes natural. You stop reacting emotionally and start acting strategically with your money decisions. And that is when financial stress is replaced by clarity, confidence, and long-term stability. Start today. take control, and build the financial life that you actually deserve. You now understand the system, but understanding alone will not change your life. Action is the difference between people who stay stuck and those who take control. Start with one step, track your money today, and take your first control decision. That small action may feel simple, but it begins a powerful transformation process. Over time, these small steps build a system that protects and grows your financial life. This is how ordinary people create extraordinary financial stability without stress. You have everything you need. Now it is your move to take control. Take control today, and your future will thank you for every decision you make.